me Nurnabi. So I'm very overwhelmed today because today one of my beloved students will say something about today's session, right? Already we have learned a lot of things from that means since morning, since 9 a.m. Okay, so the whole day we have learned what we have learned today. Just he will say that. Okay, start.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to discuss about today I learn English class. Firstly, I would like to talk about today I have learned English this class. Firstly, I have learned how write a cover letter. Secondly, I will
Cover letter with a CV.
I learn tense, and next how I have learned how to write emailing, and next of all I have learned to
Take the audience.
speak English each other with each
How to
other.
make 24? How to make 24?
How to make 24
Questions.
and next I have learned for job each other
Interview session.
session and
How to face an interview. How to face an interview in any Viva board. Okay, that's it. So finally I can say that
finally I can say that
I have enjoyed
I enjoyed this class.
today's full session.
Today's full session enjoyed
I enjoyed very much.
very nice.
So that's why I like to thank
I like to thank
our course teacher,
our course teacher,
our English teacher, Nuno Visar.
our English teacher, Nuno Visar.
Okay, have a clap for him. Thank you so much.